Hello, I'm Gary Cisneros. I work for Hall Wines here in Napa Valley.
Fueled by growing demand for their fine wines, Hall required a larger and more flexible warehouse facility. Seismic safeguards were necessary because of the recent 6.0 earthquake that hit Napa Valley.
The reason we decided to go with the Pellegrino seismic plates, we saw the video online about the Pellegrino system.
Dr. Rigirak conducted more than 100 earthquake simulations during 5 weeks of testing at the Structural Engineering Earthquake Simulation Laboratory located at the State University of New York at Buffalo. The video showed the Pellegrino base isolators violently moving during a test that mirrored the 6.9 Loma Prieta earthquake. Working with material handling, design, and equipment, Hall made the decision to install the Pellegrino isolators throughout the new facility. Hall's distribution center includes over 500 pallet positions of Rigirak's teardrop pallet rack with nearly 100 base isolators. The Pellegrino isolators are almost undetectable as they fit neatly under the rack's upright frames and don't interfere with lift trucks.
This is both a long-term and short-term storage facility for Hall Wines. We do the direct-to-consumer shipping from here. We pack wine club, dailies, and we also store library wines.